So, with the influence of my friends, here I am in YouTube. Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Introduce ko muna sa inyo ang sarili ko. I am GMDC, 24 years old, who happens to love makeup. So for my very first video, share ko lang sa inyo how to achieve this simple glam look na pwede nyong suotin in any occasion na may isip nyo. So, without further ado, let's start this video. So, una kong ginagawa before I put on some makeup is to cleanse first my skin using micellar water para matanggal lahat ng dirt and excess oil and makeup. Then next, after cleansing, I use tinted moisturizer with my hands ng Quick Effects kasi super dry ng skin ko, especially sa T-zone area ko. So I just put it on my hands and apply it all over my face. Also, maganda din i-prep muna natin ang ating skin para maganda ang kapit ng makeup. Isa yan sa natutunan ko sa mga workshop na nasalihan ko. Then, foundation. I usually mix 2 shades at the back of my hand. Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Toffee and Sunset Matte Liquid Finish Foundation in Light Ivory. Then using my damp beauty sponge, I dab it all over my face, my neck, and also my ears para pantay-pantay ang kulay ng mukha. Then, concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand. Then put it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and chin. Then using the same sponge that I used sa pag-blend ng foundation natin, and then yung ginamit ko pag-blend ng concealer natin. Then, set ko lahat ng liquids using my Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Pressed Powder in Sandwich using a big powder brush. I set it in a dabbing motion para hindi ma-drag ang foundation and yung concealer. Then off cam, ginawa ko na rin ang aking kilay. For bronzer, ginamitan ko ito ng Pretty and Neutral Makeup Palette ng Avon, and also for the contour, ginamitan ko ito ng Confirm ng Vice Cosmetics Ara Contour Collection. Also, ginamit ko din yung bronzer ng Avon to contour my nose. And sa eyes na tayo. Using a big fluffy blending brush, ginamit ko ang shade na NYC ng nude palette ng BYS for the transition color. Then again off cam, nag-bake na din ako using my Nishido Final Powder in Ivory Glow. Then, to add some dimension, I used ice cream palette ng Dose of Colors. Gumamit ako ng cone for the crease part ng aking mata. And for the outer V, I used the Hot Fudge. Then, to really blend the edges, I went back sa transition color natin ng BYS. And for my lids and for my inner corner, ginamitin ko ito ng Fashion 21 Eyeshadow No. 5 palette. Then, to really define and create a fake crease, bumalik ako sa ice cream palette ng Dose of Colors and pinaghalo ko ang cone and hot fudge. For blush, I used the Vice Cosmetic Aura Blush Collection in the shade Title sa apples ng aking cheeks using a dense brush. For highlighter, ginamitan ko muna ito ng MAC Strobe Cream Hydrant Luminous in Pink Light. Then off-cam, naglagay ako ng eyeliner, mascara, and falsies. For my under eye makeup naman, pinaghalo ko lang ang cone and hot fudge ng Dose of Colors. Then, pinatungan ko ang MAC Strobe Cream Hydrant Luminous Highlighter ng isang shimmer shadow ng nude palette from BYS in the shade 8. And finally, for the lips, I used Bonita Matte Lip Cream in Nude and topped it with my all-time favorite Fashion 21 Color Shine Liquid Lipstick in number 6. So, ito na po ang final look. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. Till next time. Bye guys.